Good evening, brothers. It's Thursday night, about 10 minutes to 9. It's getting late, but I got an unboxing video. We have, actually, I cut it open and emptied out the peanuts before showing you that, but it's from Italian Barber. So let's see what we got. We got two of these. I'm only going to open one because we got two of these. I think I meant to get one, but I might have oopsie doodled on the ordering it, so I'm going to give one to my son. Emperor. This is the Creativentus clone from Razorock. Gotta smell it. Oh, that smells nice. That smells nice. I do like this one. This one's a little bit less sweet. I like that one. All the different variants you can try. I've got a couple of different variants of it because Creativentus is very nice. So that one I'm going to keep. The other one will probably go to, well, I'm going to leave it in the package because that's probably going to go to Sean, since I'll be going to see him sometime along here. What else I got? I got some Schick Pro Line blades. These, the P-30s, these are artisan style blades for the artisan style razors, like my Green Hulk. And then we have two boxes. Let's see what's in these. Oh, one comes with blades in it. Okay, one comes with blades. One comes with Derby blades. Okay, let me put the blades back. Put that down, sorry. Yes, I got this for my son Ryan. If he's watching, we'll see if he's watching or not. Because he had this razor. I got it for him for Christmas a few years ago. And it disappeared. So, and he was kind of forlorn about that. He liked that razor so much. And it's not really an expensive razor. It's an Italian Barber Razorock brand razor. Got some nice heft to it. He just liked this razor. He thought this was cool. This is the old style Gillette head. Let me show you to you. 3-piece razor. And yes, we're going to do a shaving video with it before he gets it. See this? So it grabs it. See the head, the top cap. Oops, sorry. Let me aim where the lens is. Sorry, the lens is to my left. Here we go. So see this, the corners? That's where it holds the blade, in the corners. So it doesn't have anything in the middle of this. It's all in the corners. Different style. One of the older Gillette styles. Put the handle back on. Sorry, I'm trying to do that in camera. So that's going to be for Ryan. So let me put this back in the bag. Well, I'll put it down, but I'll put it back after. This one is mine. This one is mine. Oh, this one didn't come with any blades. Yeah. So now you know what those are for. They're for this. Yes, yes, yes. The V3. Unscrew the handle. Stainless steel. So yeah, you've seen me do the Hulk. This is the big brother. It's the stainless steel. And I wanted to try this handle with these. They didn't have the regular one that's like this all the way down. They didn't have that. But they had it with at least in the top. And that's, of course, actually it's not, well, without the head on it, it's not the balance point. But with the head on it, I'm assuming that is. So we'll see. Oh, there we go. Pull that apart. Takes those artisan style blades. Stainless steel. So I'm intrigued by this. Let's feel that. Oh yeah, that balance is nice. That, yeah, with the head on it, yeah. Yeah. That's just where you want the grip. That's just where we want it. And of course the little hole, the little bomb hole, whatever you ball there at the end. I mean, it's got, of course, it's got the little grip, the little hole, the little round part in that too. I thought it was a nice touch. I just like that handle. I thought it was a cool looking handle. Stainless steel, nice heft. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. But this one might have to wait because I want to do that other razor that I got for Ryan, so I could do a video on it before he gets it, because I didn't try his last one before it walked away. So we're gonna have to try that one. I think we'll have to try that one in video before he gets it. But I just thought you might enjoy seeing the few little goodies that came. Looking forward to trying this. Of course, I've been all about the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements honeysuckle as of late. Oh, I just enjoy that scent. It doesn't last. It's only good for like an hour. But that honeysuckle, the soap, and it's just so nice. I just really enjoy it. I just wished it last. But these goodies are gonna keep me busy for a while. Oh yes. Okay, we need a little of that on. Just a little in the arm. Here we go. Yeah, it's almost bedtime, but I want a little something on there. The missus enjoys this one, so that should work. So, guys, hope you enjoyed, and go with God.